Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings here. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search for Gmail. Sorry, like this. You will click on Gmail and you will update your app. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.